see, this is the boat cushion in the back, and see this this is the foam, and this is the boat cushion. The plywood is completely rotted out, so I'm replacing it. You can see this is the backrest. This is the cushion, this is the backrest in the back next to the engine, and you can see it's totally rusted out. This plywood is totally rusted, totally busted. So it's time to replace the vinyl and plyboard. Let's see, it's totally, I mean, this vinyl is still good, so I may be able to reuse it, but this vinyl is not good. So actually it's not good. It's right here, it's broken, so we're not gonna reuse the vinyl. It's pretty disgusting. Oh, this is pretty disgusting plyboard. I don't know how many years that it was, but it's pretty disgusting. You can see there. So I'm just gonna keep the foam and not any of the other stuff, like the cushion or the vinyl. I think it's just, let's see. Oh. Oh. Pretty bad.